Frangipani flowers are known as the flowers of the gods for a very good reason. They smell exquisite, and that aromatic is what we bring to you in all of our Frangipani products. Hello QVC Beauties, it's Emer Gillen here from Elemis, and I'm super excited to show you today two products that I love to use every single week to treat my hair and my scalp. Now I'm sure many of you are really familiar with our skincare line, those innovative, cutting-edge, groundbreaking skincare products, but we also have the most beautiful selection of body products. Now Elemis, as a spa brand with over 30 years of heritage in the global spa and skincare industry, we are known across the world for our luxury, our pampering, our decadence that we bring to our treatments in spas and salons. So here today I'm showcasing to you two of the Frangipani products, the Frangipani Monoi body oil and also the Frangipani hair and scalp treatment. We're going to start right here with the Frangipani Monoi body oil, a multi-purpose product that you can use as a hair treatment. You can use it as a facial oil, as your daily body moisturizer, great for the nails and the cuticles. You can even finish off your hair styling with a little bit on your hands as a finishing serum. This does solidify in cooler temperatures, so to melt the product inside, just take a glass of warm water or a container. You're going to pop your bottle into the warm water, leave it sit and set for a couple of minutes, and then it melts and it's ready to use. I'm going to shake some of the oil into my hands and I'm going to bring it through my hair, pretty much from like ear level down, and bring it through all of the ends of my hair in particular is where I'll put a little bit more focus. You can then just run your fingers more through the top section of your hair to bring that oil in, but I really want that concentration of the Monoi, the Frangipani and the coconut in towards the ends of my hair. So with the oil applied to my hair, I'm now going to pay more focus and attention to my scalp with the Frangipani Monoi hair and scalp mask. This is a fabulous blend of sesame oil, moringa oil, macadamia oil. Of course, we've got the coconut, the Frangipani and the tiare flowers in there as well, but we also have pink clay and the hibiscus. You can use this in a couple of different ways. So as a cleansing 20-minute treatment for your hair and your scalp, and you could do that a couple of times a week. You can use it as an in-shower conditioner, and you can even use it as an overnight hair mask. This has got a gorgeous creamy rich texture to it, so I'm going to take some into my hands. I'm going to spread it over my fingertips, and then I'm going to bring my fingertips in underneath my hair as best I can and get right into the scalp. And as I do this, I'm going to create some nice circular motions, so I'm helping not only to spread the product across my scalp, but I'm also helping to loosen any tension and tightness in the skin of the scalp. And I just repeat this all over. It really depends on your hair, your scalp, how dry it may be, how much product you want to use. But I definitely find that massaging it really helps to spread the product around and over the scalp area. I'm going to take a little bit more now for the underside and the back. And again, onto my fingertips. And then I'm just going to bring my fingers right in underneath my hair and pay my focus and attention to the scalp itself. So now what I would normally do is just tie up my hair nice and loosely, and I leave it for 20 minutes, half an hour, a couple of hours, whatever I want to leave it for. Or very often I will sleep with this on my scalp, on my hair and my scalp overnight, and then just go through my normal shampooing and conditioning treatments the next day. So now that I have both products in my scalp and on my hair, the Frangipani oil and the hair and scalp mask are going to stay on for a minimum of 20 minutes. Usually I'll leave it overnight. I usually just tie it loosely up and then sleep with it overnight, and then just go right ahead and shampoo, condition and style it the next day. What you will see and what you will feel is softer, more conditioned, more nourished hair. It always puts the most gorgeous shine on my hair as well, and I just feel that my scalp has been moisturized and so much more conditioned. I really hope you enjoy using these two products just as much as I do every week.